Good morning, guys. We are off to Mountain County. Hey, did I say it properly? Mountain County, guys. We're going to Mountain County. How's everyone doing? Yeah, we're gonna go and hang out Mountain County. Listen, there'll be music on in there, so I'll probably just film, and I'll have to put the music over so I don't get what's that thing called? What's that thing called when you get? Yeah, okay, you can answer down below what it's called. I can't remember right now because my mind is not working properly because I haven't had anything to eat. But I got my driver here, guys. He's want to see her. Say, driver! Morning, and guess who's behind there? Mariana! Say good morning. Morning. Good. Mariana. She's been a naughty girl this morning, guys. My mama, she's been naughty. Naughty with a capital N. Yeah, okay. We're almost here, guys. Look, Mountain County. Yeah. Yeah, my sister's driving, guys. You'll feel heaps of lumps and bumps because she's not really a qualified driver, guys. She's got a license. She must have found it in the Weetabix box. Yeah, I'm the professional driver out of us two. Yeah, okay. There's the Hoyt Cinema up there. Since living around here, I've only been there, I think, 3 times. Yep, not a movie person, guys. Okay. So you guys are hanging out with me and my sister and my mama bear today. Okay, guys. Okay. Look, left, look right. You can go back. Please drive properly. Just a crazy driver, guys. Crazy driver. Look how slow she's going. That's how crazy she drives. Oh, yeah, I don't see any punctures. Where's she going? She's a shop person. Did you ask her? Should I call out? Okay. Oh no, I think she's just shocked this. Okay. What about this girl? Is she leaving? Oh, okay. Let her go. Let her cross this. Okay. Where is she? I hope she's over here somewhere. Is she? No, on the other side. Oh, might be keep on walking. Okay. Shame, we got no car park. Oh, sad. Everyone say sad. Sad. Okay, guys, we gotta keep looking. But I'm just worried my sister might get violent. You know the road rage? Yeah. Hey, excuse you, went fast. Push. Oh, he got a park. Oh, he just got it. Watch it. Look how fast now. What he was coming really fast. Better watch it. Better watch it, guys. See, my sister's in a happy mood right now. Otherwise, she would have jumped out, guys. She would have jumped out. There, indicator. Yahoo! Woo! Hey, guys, we got a park. Yeah. Thank you. Be later. How about your sis? Oh my gosh, she got a reverse. Oh, I tell you, she doesn't have a good license, guys. She's got a license, but it's not a good one. Yeah, reverse park. Yeah, guys. Yeah, reverse park. Oh, Spotto! I can see Spotto. Yeah, good sis. You're doing a good job. Yeah, sick. Yeah, the baka. Oh. Beep. Hey, beep. Sister, you too close to that car there. I've got plenty of room on this side. Just go forward and then you come back out. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Check that, sister's pocket. Yeah, plenty. Okay. Okay, guys, we are heading inside Mount Druids. Okay. Meet you inside, guys. Okay. It's quite empty today. What's the time? Too early? Yeah, past 10. Okay, guys, I'll have to try to steady this camera. So where are we gonna go eat? milkshakes in there, eh? Or no? Oh, yeah, no. Oh, no, I'm not going to get her a milkshake because, you know. Well, we can go to the cafe if they want. Or we'll just sit down for a little while, okay? Yeah, okay, guys. Not much people here in Downey County. Downey County. Look, guys. I really like this barbecue pork thing here. I don't eat duck, but I know my husband does. Okay, I'm going to look at some duck, right, and Chinese cabbage. There's the duck and the pork. Okay guys, that didn't take too long. We went in and out not that long, okay? Okay. We went in and out that long, guys. We only went there, made my sister and mama wait for me while I go to the bank. Yeah, and then there was this cheeky lady in there. Yeah, she wanted me to do what she wanted. Hey, hello, I'm a customer. And it's my money, not yours. Okay, stop talking about that lady. Okay, let's go home, guys. I'll show you the way home. So if you guys want to come over to my house, you know where to come. Hey, welcome to your kapungi lo, but look everyone, lots of laughing. It's gonna take a long way. We're gonna take a long way, and we gotta go right in front of Los Angeles. Okay, give you guys a hint where I stay. Look, there's a park, in the roundabout, and then they go. They just if you don't make it go for it. Oh, I like the play like a color. Oh, see, look at all the mama white. Okay, she go down. It's go down. Go on your uncle. Yeah, mama. Mariana. Oh yeah? She always coughs. I've got oysters and I have duck. Yum yum yum. Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about these lovely oysters. Oysters, there's a dozen here guys. And then I have duck, roast pork, and a bit of Chinese cabbage and rice. Okay guys, so that's the mukbang for today. Anyway, I got some pips here. Just want to scratch it out. Anyway, so I'm going to squeeze this lemon over the oysters, right? So then I don't have to worry about a bloater. Anyway, guys, yeah, I got my chopsticks. Bam! Yep, so those two can stay there. I better roll up my sleeve for this. Which one of you lucky guys are gonna... I need a bit more lemon, guys. A bit more lemon, guys. Okay, I'll get this fatty one. Oh. Here you go, have a bite. Have a bite. Another one. Okay. Yeah. The big one. Bit of shout on that one. Oh, oh, sweet. So sweet. Yum yum. Anyway guys, okay. You know what? I'll be honest with you. I normally don't eat duck, but just for the video, I'm gonna do it. Because I tell you what man, I've been trying to eat all the chili so I can get used to it. So then I can, you know, have some skin of the duck. I'll just pretend it's chicken. That way. Nice flavour. Oh. And I got some sweet chili sauce and some hot chili sauce. I got more of the sweet chili sauce because I don't want to be a hero. I didn't end up burning my mouth. This is the roast pork. Come on, dip lassie, yep. Give me some rice, guys. Yeah, underneath this rice, there's this place in Otahu, in Auckland. That's lovely. There's a place in Otahu. You see that rice comes right up. Anyway, there's a place in Otahu that I used to go and buy roast pork, rice and cabbage, and then they sprinkle the spring onion on top. Hang on. That's so good. It's very fortunate. Damn it, chili sauce! It's flying around. Yeah, guys. So good. I'm not usually a duck person, I'm telling you. I don't even eat it. But it was so good for the lady. Let's see, we get another customer. I thought, that was so good. My son was saying, can I have an oyster, Mum? I was like, no. No. I can't remember the last time I did oyster. Been a while. So I thought it's about time I do it again. had 2 dozen. I could easily 2-3 dozen. For $21, mate. $21 a pop. Yeah. See, anytime I want to dance, when I have some food. So guys, the only way to my heart is food. Okay. Ooh. It's a bone. Ah. Yeah, I thought it was a meat. Lucky I looked at it. That's a bone, chicken bone. No, it doesn't. See? Anyway, guys, have some dark. Today's drink, guys, is iced tea, homemade. Squeeze a bit of lemon in it. You know that? Fancy. Yeah, right. Oh, I think I wrecked it. I think I've wrecked the flavour. Te Korea. Okay. Okay. Look, I want to eat them both at the same time. Okay. Oh, look at this little minty one. Minty, yes, you Still nice though. What? Wait, you get over there. I think I'll leave this little one for my son. Here's the fat one. Yeah. Did I just put enough lemon? Hey? Oh. Come on, lemon it all. Lemon. Walker. Malu with the lemon here. See what happens when you overdo it? Okay. Okay, malu si lemon. Okay. Okay, cool. Oh. Try the cabbage. Is that meat? Yeah. Okay. Better be meat. Guys, what you guys got there to eat? If you want to for your meal, It's really good, and then that soy sauce that they pour over it, it's just got some beautiful flavour in it. Rice. Some of this stuff got feathers on. So that's the feather part. I ain't gonna eat that. Chinese cabbage. I'm having some good food, guys. What do you think? Good food? I'm gonna putting any more lemon on it, that's for sure. Oh, look at that.
Can't see the issue. Yeah, believe me, I need to keep myself alive, but I don't need to kiss you. Hey,
how many more? 4. So, eh? 4. You know, there's a show I've been watching on Netflix. It's called Suits. I know it's old, the old show. But I tell you what, it's very entertaining. Very entertaining. Plus, my boyfriend, yeah, he's Spectre? I don't know. Well, what's his name? Yeah, I don't even know my boyfriend. Look up on the skin. Skin for the pork. What do you guys do for lunch? Well, can you hear the dog howling? You know what, dog? Stop it. Not him, yeah. Oh, it's a duck neck. Hey, just because I had a chicken neck the other day doesn't mean you have to come along too, guys. Well, that's a sour sauce. I'm not sour sauce, sweet sauce. No, you this cost me $12. $12.80 I think. Well, there are 2 choices. 2 choices plus rice and a bit of Chinese cabbage. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay.
I can't see the issue. Yeah, believe me, I need to keep myself alive, but I don't need to kiss you. Hey, we can make it tonight, baby, that's just fine. Don't know what I'm doing, feel like I am going crazy. Keep it down.
I tipped it. Too much lemon.
You know it. I can tell you're soaking up all of it now.
Oh, eat this one. And I'll leave this one for my son Noah. He said, Mama, you gonna share your oysters? And I said, you gonna come and do a mukbang with me? He said, no. Howdy. Miss out. know what? That was the bad one, guys. That was a bad one. Anyway, I've got some. Get down. Okay, I got a few shout outs, guys. Okay, because if subscribers or anyone come and view my video and then they leave a comment, it's only fair that I acknowledge them, and that way is through shout outs. Okay, guys, so listen up for your name. Okay. Olera matala ona ia for fai mai I pia for no atulo noa. Okay, guys. Yeah. Is Molly Black here? Molly Black? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. This one. Susie Wong Ibuja. How do you say the last one? Anyway, your name will be down there, and you know it's you. Susie Wong Ibuja. French name. Anyway, guys, are you here? Okay. Tick. Anyone that's not here must bring a note to tell me why you weren't here today. Okay, guys? Okay. Okay. Now this one made me laugh when I started writing it down. Okay. Fuki Slam. Fuki Slam. What if it's my sister's account? Anyway, guys. Shout out to Fuki Slam. Fuki Slam. Okay? Yeah, that's what us poly girls say when someone's gonna annoy us and push their luck. I am. Okay. No, but we're not running. No. Oh, and then there's one. I tell you, I'm not making up these names, guys. There's people's comments that, and this one, Chop Suey. Yeah, if you gotta see Chop Suey around, you gotta get hungry looking at the name. Chop Suey, you here, Chop Suey? Yes. Okay, let me know if you're not here. Or class, please let me know if the name I'm calling out, they're away, and they must bring a note from home to say why weren't they here today. Okay, guys? Okay, Maria Temple. Maria Temple, are you here? Nice to see you. Okay, guys, go and look at Polytube, right? And then you see all the polys there, you know, with their videos, with their contents. Yeah, go and look up Polytube. And if you find me and you haven't watched my video, come and watch. Otherwise, you can watch all the other Polytubers that's there. Okay, guys? So, stop by, and who created hashtag Polytube is the beautiful Hello Harriet. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to Hello Harriet, please go and do that and subscribe to her channel. Okay, because she's the one that first created hashtag Polytube. Okay, like. So now I want to say hello to Tinania family. Thank you very much for shouting me out. I saw like this morning. So I thought, I haven't been, you know, I've been just focusing on all the people that come and leave a comment, you know, watching my channel. But anyway, I want to say a big hello to the Tinania family, and it's good. I always love it when I see you guys filming with Mom Orly, because I tell you what, guys, gotta take care of our parents. The ones that are still around with us, we gotta make the most of it, spend as much time as we can with them, and show them the love that they deserve, you know. So guys, and I just want you guys to, you know, to think, you know, if you have, you know, if you got the time, get the camera, you know, just film you guys. You never know, just save them. You never know, you might want to, you know, start your up a channel. Because I tell you what, YouTube, Polytube is growing and growing and growing. Okay, guys, so you're not late, you're not too late. Never say never. So go and upload your contents, whatever, because I want to watch. Not because I'm nosy. You got any proof of that? Honest, I'll come and nosy at your channel. Okay, guys, and yeah, just look up Polytube and go and see all the other Polytubers, guys. You know, because I tell you what, they put out their content and it's worth watching. You know, so if you're not busy and you got, you know, like if you want to watch something entertaining, go look up the Polytube and look at all the islanders that's doing their content. Oi loa, se arimere wa yai. So for the few more game I saw a killing. Anyway, I'm glad to see all of you guys out there watching and you know, waiting up for, you know, and I'm glad you guys come and watch. See, you guys are so good. Look, I haven't even been to the hairdresser, guys, and the greys are coming. Because I tell you what, we come up from a family that's so great. Well, not my dad's side. My dad's side, yeah, they're pretty, like, they got a lot of their black hair. But I think I'd lean a bit more on my mum. Have you seen my mum and her silver hair? Yeah, wow. Imagine if I don't dye my hair, eh? It'll be, are you and your mum twins? No. I am 21. She's only 40. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh, yeah. So guys, don't forget, there's Tadania family, there's Polytube, Hello Harriet, Maria Temple, Molly Black, Susie Wong, Tipo Cho, Pussy Slam, and Chop Suey. Okay guys, so if I see any more comments, I'm going to write it down because look, this space needs people. Okay guys? Okay. Yeah, well, don't forget, always thank the good Lord every day for the life that He gives us and the blessing that He does too. But you guys go and have a good day. Have a good day. Don't forget, you've got nothing to do and you want to watch something, yeah. Go pop over to Polytube and look up all the Polytubers. Okay guys? Yeah, okay. I'll see you in class tomorrow. Yeah.